Hi everyone, I'll show you how to remove and install or insert your SIM card into Nokia 2, as you can see right here. So remove the back cover by pulling it right here where the charging port. Remove this back, and then you'll need to, here's your SIM card slot. You'll need to move this metal thing, as you can see right here. You have to push it and move it to the side, and then once you move it, you lift it up this metal piece, and then you can remove SIM card as you saw. And then once you want to install, there's a picture which way it's supposed to be, because there's a little corner. So you open it, install it in, make sure it's sitting perfect because it wouldn't close easily. So once you close, you have to pull it to the right side, this thing, so you can see it, like it moves. And then here's your memory card slot right here also. That's how there's a picture also which way it's supposed to be in. So you pull it out and then you insert in. Thanks for watching, and then if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye. It's also showing right here how to open the SIM card.